वेलकम बैक टू द टॉट शो। मैं हूं नील और मेरे साथ में है
श्रुति।
और श्रुति, मेरी स्टोरी जो
नील प्लीज, वी गॉट वेरी लेस टाइम ऑन द शो एंड आई एम श्योर तुम्हारी जो स्टोरी है बहुत लंबी है, सो सम अदर टाइम प्लीज
प्लीज कह रही हो इसलिए ठीक है, वरना मेरी स्टोरी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है।
आई एम श्योर, बट फिलहाल कमिंग अप ऑन द शो आर 2 fashion shows back to back and after that an acting workshop.
Well, so let's get the first fashion show on the runway. This is Shrikant and Amber Feroz. I never knew after retiring from cricket, Shrikant started designing clothes. These cricketers are so talented, man.
ये वो श्रीकांत नहीं है।
जो भी है श्रीकांत हुआ है। I was a big fan of Shrikant. क्या aggressive batting थी वो।
Neil, please, not another story, please.
This is a preview and a trunk show for Resort Wear 2013, and this is very ready to wear and very. It has been targeted for the market, which could be very into the resort collection, and I have lots of collections with the prints and jumpsuits and kaftans and very ready to wear, which could be resort collection.
Well, that was fantastic. Actually, now let's head on to the next event, and this one also is about fashion.
Yes, it is. It's the Gap fashion preview for the spring-summer collection.
I like the clothes. They're traditional, slightly edgy sometimes. I keep up with the trends. The quality is great. I'll always come back to Gap.
Gap is my favorite brand because it's young, trendy, colorful, and amazing.
Yeah, just love the style that they have.
And it's beautiful. It's feminine. And you have everything you want there. You can find, I like their pants and the colors and the cuts.
Actually, I'm so excited being in Gap's event.
श्रुति, तुम्हें पता है कि इस ब्रांड को गुजरात में क्या कहते हैं?
क्या?
गेप।
Very funny.
So spring summer, it's about a celebration of colour, very much infused in the Be Bright, which is the main marketing campaign. So you'll see a fusion of colour across all of the items in this season's range.
Nice, very nice.
From one art form to another, we move up to an acting workshop.
पर श्रुति, पता है तुम्हें, जब मैं स्कूल में था ना, मेरे सारे दोस्त कहा करते थे कि
नील बहुत हैंडसम है, एक दिन बड़ा होके एक्टर बनेगा, राइट?
मैं तुम्हें स्टोरी सुनाई है ये?
Absolutely, and तुमको एक्टर बनने की क्या जरूरत है यार? तुम तो born actor हो. You're a great actor.
हो ना?
Please, can you tell us about the workshop?
Sure.
With me are a bunch of theatre enthusiasts who've come to Haha Habibi's improv workshop. So tell me, first of all, what's your name?
Vivek.
Poonam.
Aditya.
Abhay. Sari.
Wow, they actually made me exercise. All right, so, Vic, what brings you here?
Fun and games to start with, and the fact that we're doing something different, and it's, you know, I've always been in theatre in school, so I just wanted to bring it out now, and it's been so long that we've not done something like that.
I know Fariz through family, so he's a friend, and we were talking once about how he used to do theatre in Pakistan, and he had a theatre group, and I've always been interested in theatre, so he had this idea, and I said, you know, I'd help get some friends, and so we started. Like, he started that way, and I just brought people in.
Get your imagination running and try and interact with the actor for just a couple of seconds at the actually was. So say thank you for the job. Thank you for open it. What's in it? Chocolates. Okay, very good. Close the box, pass it on. Thank you so much. Good sunglasses. Okay, good. Pass it on.
Oh, camera, thank you.
Oh, perfume. Thank you so much for
This is one of the reasons probably why I come down here is it's one, the energy that people bring down and breaking out of their shells mainly. I mean, improv, when you think about it, it's just thinking on your feet. And a lot of people are very conscious about that. But this environment makes it so conducive to actually just break out and express yourself.
Okay, now we'll do 3 ha's. Okay, now we'll do a me, a long me. So,
And जब हम वहाँ गए श्रुति, तो वहाँ पे he made us act, and not just act, he also made us talk in a language that no one understands.
तुम्हारी बातें वैसे भी किसको समझ में आती है? That's your favorite language, ना?
Newly acquired. एक्टिंग में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज क्या होती है?
क्या होती है?
एक्शन कंटिन्यूटी,
जो तुम्हें बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती है।
आती है मुझे। देख, अगर ये हाथ यहाँ पर है तो वाइड फ्रेम में भी यहीं पे होगा, 2 शॉट में भी यहीं पे होगा, क्लोजअप में भी यहीं पे होगा, और वेरी क्लोजअप होगा, एकदम एक्सट्रीम क्लोजअप, उसमें भी हाथ यहीं पे होना चाहिए।
grab the rope, grab the rope. What a night. Throw some water out, throw some water out, throw some water out. Just save the camper, save the camper. Freeze here. Sunny, quickly come in. Take this exact same physical position. What was this physical position? And you start the scene. It's not that small, it's this big. No, when I first saw it, it was so much. It's supposed to be this big. Have a look. Then you're supposed to keep it like this. But then you're supposed to take the other one and then throw it away like that.
Well, I'd actually done a lot of improvisational theatre in Pakistan, and so I moved here 5 years ago, and I thought I wanted to do it again. So the best thing to do is start it up on your own, because I was directing over there and training people as well. So I have an idea as to what I want to do. The objective is to start up another improv comedy troupe over here.
वाह अनिल, मतलब मान गए। तुम्हारी एक्शन कंटिन्यूटी की नॉलेज को देखकर तुम्हारी एक्टिंग स्किल्स का पता चल गया यार।
देख रहे हो कि बॉर्न एक्टर हूं मैं। अब घड़ी देख के बताओ कि ब्रेक का टाइम हो गया।
Well, yes, it is time for a break.
All right, let's take a quick little break, and after the break, we'll go to our favorite section. That's the Bollywood section.
Absolutely.